Chia seed water. A simple mix that millions now swear by every single morning. Some drink it to lose weight, some for better digestion, and others because it makes them feel calmer and more focused through the day. But what really happens inside that glass is more than a health trend. It is nature doing quiet science. When chia seeds meet water, something strange happens. They absorb up to 12 times their weight and form a soft gel. That gel is not just texture. It slows digestion, steadies energy, and keeps you feeling full for hours. Instead of the highs and crashes that come from caffeine or sugar, you get slow and even energy. That is why many people start replacing their morning coffee with this cloudy, jelly-like drink. It hydrates better and lasts longer. But what happens after you drink it is even more fascinating, because that gel does not stop working once it leaves the glass. Number 1. Improve digestion. Inside your stomach, chia fiber acts like a sponge that helps your body process food more slowly and more gently. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some good, some not so good. The fiber in chia seeds feeds the good kind. These tiny helpers keep your digestion smooth and reduce bloating. When the good bacteria thrive, your entire system feels lighter. Many who drink chia seed water daily notice a rhythm in their digestion that they never had before. This calm, steady gut health has ripple effects that go far beyond the stomach. Because when your digestion works like clockwork, your mood and focus begin to shift too. Number 2. Stabilize energy and reduce cravings. If you often feel tired right after eating, it is likely from blood sugar spikes and drops. Chia seed water slows that spike. The gel that forms in your stomach acts like a soft barrier, releasing sugar into the bloodstream more gradually. This means fewer crashes, fewer cravings, and more stable energy throughout the day. People who drink chia water in the morning often say they snack less in the afternoon. They feel steady, focused, and more in control of their hunger. And when your energy levels smooth out, something else changes quietly behind the scenes. Your heart starts to feel the benefits too. Number 3. Support heart health. Chia seeds contain healthy fats and minerals that naturally calm inflammation and support circulation. Think of it like adding gentle oil to your body's inner machinery. The blood moves more freely, the vessels stay flexible, and the heart works with less effort. Drinking chia seed water also helps your body release extra sodium, which can support balanced blood pressure. It is one of the simplest, cheapest ways to care for your heart without fancy supplements. Number 4. Strengthen bones and muscles. Every spoon of chia is filled with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These are the minerals that build bone strength and help muscles repair after daily wear and tear. If you are active, work out, or just move a lot at work, chia seed water can make recovery smoother. Unlike dairy or processed protein powders, this is a gentle, plant-based source of nourishment. It gives your body the raw materials to rebuild itself without feeling heavy or bloated. But there is more. Something hidden inside each seed quietly fights off the effects of stress and pollution that age the body from within. Number 5. Protect cells from damage. Inside each seed are powerful plant compounds that guard your cells against daily wear. They help your body handle oxidative stress, which comes from poor sleep, pollution, and processed foods. Over time, that protection shows up in your skin, your focus, and even how fast you recover after a long day. It is not about looking younger overnight. It is about helping your body stay strong and balanced as you age. And it all begins with 1 tablespoon of seeds sitting in a glass of water. Number 6. Support healthy weight. Because chia absorbs liquid and expands in your stomach, it helps you feel full faster and stay full longer. That makes it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. The fiber also helps balance appetite hormones, so you naturally crave healthier foods. People who use chia seed water before meals often find it easier to maintain a steady, healthy weight without extreme diets. This benefit builds quietly over time. It is slow, steady, and sustainable. How to make it? The recipe could not be simpler. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add it to a glass of water, about 250 milliliters. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes or overnight if you prefer it softer. You will see the seeds swell and form a gel. Add lemon juice for taste and a small boost of vitamin C. If you like, a teaspoon of honey for gentle sweetness. That is all. You can also stir chia into smoothies, sprinkle it on yogurt, mix it with oats, or even add it into soups as a natural thickener. It blends easily and does not overpower the flavor of your food. The trick is not to overthink it. It is about making this one small change a consistent part of your day. Because that is where the real transformation happens. When you start drinking chia seed water daily, you might not feel a miracle overnight. But within a week or two, your energy starts to stretch further through the day. Your digestion feels calmer. Your skin may even look clearer because your hydration is more balanced. The benefits build like a quiet wave, small but steady. Every great change begins small, and sometimes it begins with a seed. So if you have reached this point of the story, thank you for watching till the end. Please leave a comment below with the country you are from, and share if chia seed water has made any difference in your life. Someone reading your story might need that gentle push to start their own.